Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. So today I have this little unbagging to do. I think it's from Diamond Painting Bliss on Etsy. I think that's where it's from, but I just think that sticker is so cute. And it says, please and thank you, about not bending or folding. And it says, you're a gem. Thank you for your purchase. I like this black and white geometric bag print. It's very cute. I just posted a video, a little post review about a special gem diamond painting that I had done. And it was the first one I'd ever done. And it was really cute. I enjoyed it a lot. So I had ordered a couple more. So I'm pretty sure that's what this is, but we're going to take a look. She did send me a letter, but the letter has my address and stuff, so I'm not going to show all that, but it shows what I ordered and how much I paid, which they were both $12.99 for a total of $25.98 plus tax and shipping. And I will read the letter in a little while. Got a couple little stickers, and then we're going to see what I got. I know I left scissors. There they are. So these are going to be the special gem paintings I got, just because I really enjoyed the other one I did a lot. I just really thought it was a lot of fun, and it only took a little while, and it came out really sparkly and cute, and I'm like, that's a great way to pass time in between bigger paintings, or if I just need to give my self a break from the bigger ones, it would be cute. Alright, so I don't even remember what I ordered, and I just ordered them a couple days ago. Oh, that's the other thing, they got here really quickly. And she's shipping from Tennessee, where my friend Whitney lives. Does it say what day? Doesn't say what day I ordered. It was not that long ago. So I got this little tree with all the greenery, and I really liked the colors in this one, the bright greens. And saw a couple reviews of this one done, and it was super cute. It's not very big. It says 30 by 30. It's obviously not the full drill size anyways, because it's a special drill, so it's not going to be the full drill size. But I will measure to tell you what the actual size is going to be versus what it says. Sorry, my camera's going to shake. So 30 by 30 is almost the full canvas size, not the drill size, but it doesn't matter. It's really cute. And basic toolkit, a tiny little plate of wax, the little tray, couple baggies, and a pen. And then got, so we're going to look at this side of them just because that way you can see what we're looking at. So these really pretty, clear, very iridescent looking gemstones. This dark green, very bright green AB color. I really like that. Black, looks like black anyways, 3 tons. These are really pretty too. So are those. I'm pretty much sure that all of these are just going to be really pretty colors. I like that. That was on my elephant that I did. Those are gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So, yeah, I think that one's going to be super cute to do. And I'm excited that I have a couple little project pieces that I can work on when I'm not wanting to work on a big one, which I feel like that's my preferred size, is larger paintings. I like them. I get a little nervous in the beginning, and then I get them done, and I just think they're beautiful when they're done. So I got the same looking tree, but in the pinks and the reds. I just thought they would look cute together, framed next to each other, possibly. Side by side, just because they're very cute, and they complement each other in their colors, in my opinion. But overall, I just think they'll look really cute next to each other. Like a couple little square frames next to each other would be cute. So we're gonna look at these. These little special gems are so stinking pretty. I just really love all the bling and shine because, you know, I'm hooked on Tmall because I love all the bling on them all. So this one doesn't have as many gems as this one does. So the green one has more, which is interesting to me because they look like they're done the same. So I don't know, but I do have a lot of Tmall's different gems and colors and all her stuffs and things, so I could bling it up differently if I want to. And the same toolkit, so a diamond painting pin, the boat, a couple baggies, and a small plate of wax. I don't use those toolkits at all whatsoever. I have no use for them. I end up giving them to people who want them for different projects and stuff, because I use like the acrylic or the hybrid pens, and I use I do like Diamond Art Club's wax though, and Star Wars wax a lot, so I'm not knocking their wax because I really like it, but other than that I use Patty wax all the time. So I definitely prefer all that, and I use the 3D printed trays, or the larger white trays from Amazon. I know, yeah, I have one right here. These ones, I got a bunch of them when I first started diamond painting. There was like a 6-pack or 8-pack, I don't remember, but I bought 2 packs of them, and they were like $10 or something like that. Super duper inexpensive. You can pull that out to use it. So this is what I use for the special gems, because the 3D printed ones do not like the special gems, but they were really inexpensive. If I can find them again, I'll link them to this so you guys can grab some yourselves, because like I said, super inexpensive. So I got a pencil sharpener with the laughing crying emoji, which is hilarious because that is like my most used emoji. Well, it's the sideways one that I use all the time, but still, this is like my favorite emoji ever. So that is super awesome. Amy, thank you so much. Washi tape, very bright washi, not bright colored, but I mean cheery. I know my camera isn't letting you really get to see it, but it's got like lots of, it says happy, it looks like a lemon, really cute washi tape. Well, these are really, really cute. Let's see what this is. This is super cute, this little goodie bag she included. That's a star paper clip. Out of all the shapes and stuff like that, stars are my favorite, and this is really pretty. I might need to order from her again because I'm loving her goodie bags. Little binder clips and this cute little diamond paper clip. That is so cute. Like really, really super cute. Looks like a poop emoji lollipop, which I'm gonna have to eat that because yum. Oh, how cute is this little funnel? I'm always wishing I had a little funnel to get my stuff into the little containers better. A little package of dark greenish colored AB 700, sorry. How cute. And this is just like a goodie bag that she sends you with your order. A set of the metal tweezers, the little like aluminum metal tweezers. And then I keep hearing everybody talk about this wax pen that they love to use for the special gems, so I'm really excited that I got one, and I'm sure that's what the pencil, I cannot speak, sharpener is for. So that's really cool that I can sharpen my little wax, and this is like a little scraper spatula thing. So how cute is that? So anyhow, Amy, you rock. And this little organza bag with the moon and the stars and all that, that's like really super cute. So Amy, you're so awesome. I really appreciate that. I'm so excited about my little special gem diamond paintings. That would even be cute on there. I'm really excited to do these after my drills and chills canvases are done, which at this rate might take me until possibly 2,222 years. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just kidding, but I feel like I took on a huge project, which I did. I mean, duh, that's what it is. So anyhow, that's what I got from Amy from her shop, Diamond Painting Bliss on Etsy. I will link her shop in the description box, and yeah, you guys should totally check her out because she does really cute stuff. And I know I'm not the only creator that's done her, like, reviewed her shop and gotten stuff from her, and so far I think everybody has seemed to be really happy with her stuff. So I know that I didn't just get like a good, like, oh yay, I just got like lucky. No, she does really good stuff. And these are, you know, poured glue canvases. They're very sticky and they're glittery. They got a little bit of sheen and glitter to them. And I know they were kind of folded, but that will come out really easy. I'm actually going to go upstairs and put them in my little cardboard binder, not binder, but like portfolio type thing that I flatten all my stuff in, so it can flatten out and get some, you know, give it a little bit of time while I'm not working on it, and it will be perfect when I'm ready, just like the elephant one was. So anyhow, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to be notified the next time I upload a new video. Bye guys.